Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the core parts and values so nothing fails later. Calculate the resistor using R equals V source minus V lead divided by desired current. For a 5V supply and a 2V LED at 20 M, a use roughly 150 ohmega. For many LED indicators, 330 ohmega is common. Once done, place the LED on the breadboard with its shorter lead to ground and series resistor on the positive rail. Make sure to double-check polarity and supply voltage before powering anything. Once the basic layout is set, focus on solid electrical execution. Insert the resistor in series with the LED's positive lead and route wires so there are no shorts. If you plan multiple LEDs, give each string its own resistor or recalc resistor values for series arrangements. For final build, solder on a PCB or perf board, trim leads, and add heat shrink tubing to exposed conductors. Also think ahead. Use a transistor or MOSFET for higher currents and PWM on the control pin if you want dimming. You're at the finish line. Apply power briefly while watching the LED and multimeter. Verify the forward voltage and steady current. If brightness is correct, secure the assembly and insulate any exposed metal. For higher power LEDs, attach a heatsink and allow ventilation to prevent thermal runaway. If something goes wrong, immediately cut power, then measure polarity and continuity, confirm the resistor value and supply voltage, and test the LED on a known good circuit. Those checks find most faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.